Okay, in this video, I will show you how to evaluate functions, how to perform operations on functions, and composition of functions. So, given the four functions here, f of x is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9, g of x is equal to x squared minus 9, h of x is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 3, I of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 12. Okay, so for evaluation of function, let's say for example, we are asked to find f of 1, f of 3, f of negative 2. Okay? So, paano gagawin yan? So, first, kopyahin muna natin yung f of x sa taas. Okay? So, f of x is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay? To evaluate the function, so ang unang pinapahanap na sa atin is f of 1. Ibahin ko yung kulay para mas makita nyo. Okay? So therefore, that is equal to, since x is changed to 1, so papalitan ko lang din dito si x, okay, ng 1. So it should be 1 squared plus, okay, 6 times, since si x nga ay 1, so I will change it to 1. So 6 times 1 plus 9. Then therefore, i-solve ko na lang yan. So 1 squared is 1 plus 6 times 1 is 6, okay, plus 9. So if I add all these three, the answer is 16. So therefore, the value of f of 1 is 16. Okay, how about f of 3? So again, we have the same function, f of x is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. So again, we're asked to find f of 3. So bagayin ko ulit yung kulay. So this time, the value of x is 3. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dyan is to palitan natin, substitute the value of x, or the value of x is 3. So, magiging ang x ay 3. Palitan ko si x, 3, pero may squared pa. Kasi x squared yan. So, it should be 3 squared plus 6 times, ang x ulit, this time ay 3. So, 6 times 3 is, okay, wait, okay, plus 9. Then again, solve lang natin. 3 squared is 9 plus 6 times 3 is 18. Then copy plus 9 sa dulo. So if I add this 3, the answer is 36. So therefore, the f of 3 is 36. So the value of f of 3 is 36. And last one, f of x, again, the given is f of x is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. And we are asked to find f of negative 2. Okay? So again, papalitan lang natin yung x, okay, ng negative 2. So here, it should be negative 2 squared, okay, plus 6 times negative 2. Okay, since si x ay negative 2. Then, okay, then plus 9. Plus 9. Okay, then, solve natin. Negative 2 squared, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Then 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Then plus 9. Okay, 4 minus 12 is negative 8 plus 9. So therefore, that is 1. So therefore, the value of f of negative 2 is 1. Okay? So ayan yung halimbawa ng evaluation of function. How about kapag sa g? Pero ganun lang din yun. So burahin ko lang to. Okay, ng madalian. Let's say we are asked to find, let's say, g of 0, g of 5, and g of negative 3. So again, write the given, g of x is equal to x squared minus 9. Okay, then, ang una nating pinapahanap ay g of 0. Okay, so palitan natin yung value ni x as 0. So, therefore, that would be equal to, okay, 0, then squared. Okay, then squared minus 9. So, si x naging 0. So, by solving that, 0 squared is 0 minus 9. So, 0 minus 9 is negative 9. So, therefore, the value of g of 0 is negative 9. Then next, again, copy the given, g of x is equal to x squared minus 9. Okay? And we are asked to find g of 5. Okay? 5. Then, kapag ganyan g of 5, substitute lang natin. So, si x ay 5. So, 5 squared minus 9. Okay, then simplify lang. 5 squared is 25 minus 9. And 25 minus 9 is 16. So, therefore, the value of g of 5 is 16. Okay, lastly, for the g of x, so we have given g of x is equal to x squared minus 9. And we are asked to find g of negative 3. Okay? So, negative 3. So, ang gagawin natin, substitute lang natin sa x yung negative 3. So, negative 3 tapos squared minus 9. And negative 3 squared, negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Then just copy minus 9. So, 9 minus 9 is 0. So, therefore, ang value ni g of negative 3 is 0. Okay? So, next, how about if we are looking for, let's say, g ay h, sa h na tayo, let's say h of 10, h of 1, and h of negative 2. Okay, so first, copy mo yung given. H of x is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Again, ang hinahanap natin ay h of 10. Okay? So, ang value ni x ay magiging 10. Okay? So, therefore, 2 times itong x na to magiging 10. Then, we have squared plus 5 times x is again 10. Okay? Then, minus 3. Then, simplify. So, 2 times 10 squared is 100. Plus, 5 times 10 is 50. Minus 3. Then, simplify furthermore. 2 times 100 is 200. Plus 50 minus 3. So, 200 plus 50 is 250 minus 3. So, therefore, that is 247. So, the value of h of 10 is 247. How about h of 1? So, you're given h of x is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 again. Then, the value of the value of x this time is 1. Okay, 1. So, palitan natin yung kulay para ma-distinguish. Okay, that is equal to, so palitan na natin lahat ng x dito. So, 2 times, this time ang x ay 1. So, 2 times 1, then don't forget the exponent, squared, plus 5 times. Okay, ang x ulit ay 1, then minus 3. Okay, then simplify. So, 2 times 1 squared is 1 plus 5 times 1 is 5 minus 3. Copy 3. Okay, minus 3 rather. Then, simplify furthermore. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 5 minus 3. Okay? Then, 2 plus 5 is 7 minus 3. That would become equal to 4. So, therefore, that's the value of h of 1. And that is 4. And lastly, you are given h of negative 2. Ayun yung hahanapin pala. And we are given the function h of x is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 again. Okay, so ang hinahanap ay si h of negative 2. Okay, negative 2. Okay, so ang goal natin is palitan yung x ng negative 2. So, 2 times negative 2, okay, negative 2 squared plus 5 times, okay, that is x again, so negative 2. 5 times negative 2 minus 3. Okay, then simplify. 2 times, what is negative 2 squared? That is 4. Then 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Then minus 3. Copy minus 3. Then simplify furthermore. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 10 minus 3. 8 minus 10 is negative 2 minus 3. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So therefore, the value of h of negative 2 is negative 5. Okay? So lastly, paano naman kapag sa I of x, given yung function I of x? Let's say, you are asked to find I of negative 2, I of negative 6, and I of, let's say, 4. Okay? So first, again, copy the given function. I of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 12. So again, palitan lang natin yung value ni x. And ang unang pinapahanap is I of negative 2. So therefore, yung value ni x, palitan natin ng negative 2. So here, negative 2, okay, then squared. Plus, okay, here x is negative 2. Okay, then minus 12. Then simplify, negative 2 squared is 4. Since ito ay minus 2, so positive, negative, ay plus negative 2, parang minus 2 na rin yan. Then copy minus 12. Okay, then 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 12, and that is negative 10. So therefore, the value of I of negative 2 is negative 12. Okay, next, I of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 12. So we are asked to find I of negative 6. Okay, so therefore, lahat ng value ni x ay magiging negative 6. So magiging negative 6, okay, squared plus, okay, x is negative 6 again, plus negative 6 minus 12. So just copy minus 12. Then simplify. Negative 6 squared is 36. Again, positive times negative is negative. So it should be minus 6 minus 12. So 36 minus 6 is 30. Then just copy minus 12. So 30 minus 12 is 18. So therefore, I of negative 6 is 18. Lastly, so we are given again the function I of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 12. Then we are asked to find I of 4. Okay? So again, papalitan mo lang yung value ni x as 4. So 4cx, so 4 squared, okay, plus, okay, again, cx ay 4. Okay, then minus 12. So, actually, kahit wala ng parenthesis dito, since positive naman siya. Pero, para ma-emphasize na si x ay naging 4, gawin na lang natin ng ganyan. Then, 4 squared is 16, plus copy 4, copy minus 12. Then, 16 plus 4 is 20, minus 12. So, 20 minus 12, when you simplify, that is 8. So, therefore, I of 4 is 8. Okay? So, ganyan lang paano mag-evaluate ng functions. Okay? So, let's proceed to operations on functions. Okay? Let's have the same given function. F of x, g of x, h of x, I of x. Operation, so yung basic operation. So, we have addition. For example, okay, I will add f of x plus g of x. So, ang unang gagawin is kopyahin lang si f of x. Ano ba si f of x? Okay, sige. Ibang kulay. Si f of x ay x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay? Then I should add it to g of x. And si g of x ay x squared minus 9. Okay? Then, ang gawin natin is combine like terms. We have x squared here. So, therefore, when you combine like terms, combine those terms, we have 2x squared. And we already have this also. So, 9, tsaka si negative 9. So, 9 minus 9, actually, makakancel yan. Kasi, magiging 0. So, ang natira, meron pang 6x. So, plus 6x. So, therefore, yung f of x plus g of x ay equal sa 2x squared plus 6x. So, ganun lang tayo mag-add. Halimbawa, meron pang i-add tayo f of x plus I of x. So again, kopyahin mo lang si f of x una, x squared plus 6x plus 9. Then, si I of x, ito. So therefore, add natin, okay, may operation na add. Then, yung next function is x squared plus x minus 12. So again, ang goal natin is to combine like terms. Again, we have this, x squared tsaka x squared. So, pag sinimplify mo yan, that is 2x squared. And we also have 6x and x. So, we have 6x tsaka x. Pag kinombine mo yan, that would be 7x. Okay, here, meron pa. So, si 9 tsaka si minus 12. So, 9 minus 12 is actually negative 3 or minus 3. So, therefore, the value of f of x plus I of x is this, 2x squared plus 7x minus 3. Okay? So, ganun lang tayo mag-addition ng function. How about subtraction? So, burahin ko na to ha. Okay, subtraction. Let's say we have the given, or we are asked to subtract, let's say, h of x minus g of x. So, ang gagawin natin, again, kopyahin yung first function, h of x, which is si 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Then, since minus yan, lagyan natin minus. Then, copy the g of x. Ang g of x ay x squared minus 9. Okay, since this is not a monomial, binomial yan. Pag hindi monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, we should, okay, enclose this second function sa parenthesis. Okay, then, pwede na natin siyang isolve. Okay, or rewrite. So, pwede kasi natin tong i-distribute. Okay, itong negative dito sa function na to. So, it should become 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Tapos ito, negative times x squared is negative x squared. Negative times negative 9 is positive 9. Okay, after this, combine like terms na natin. We have 2x squared, we have negative x squared. So, pag kinombine yan, the answer would become x squared na lang. Okay? Then, we also have 5x. Ay, wala na. 5x lang. So, pwede natin isulat na lang na 5x. Then, we also have negative 3 tsaka 9. So, 9 minus 3 is 6 na lang matitira. So, plus 6. Okay? So, the final answer here is h of x minus g of x. The answer would become x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay? How about if we are asked to subtract, let's say, I of x and f of x. So, I of x minus f of x is equal to, again, copyahin nyo lang. I of x is x squared plus x minus 12. Then, the operation is minus. Okay, then, okay, the second term, the second function rather is f of x. So, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. Again, this is trinomial, so kailangan natin i-enclose. Okay, then i-distribute natin. Okay, it should become x squared plus x minus 12. Copy the first function, then distribute nyo to. So, negative times this is negative x squared. Negative times this positive 6x is negative 6x. Negative times this positive 9 would become negative 9. Again, pwede natin i-combine na. We have x squared, we have negative x squared. So, since magkaiba sila ng sign, maka-cancel na to. Okay? Then, we also have x, then negative 6x. So, x minus 6x, the answer would become negative 5x. So, negative. Then, negative 12 minus 9. So, since pareho silang negative, add natin. 12 plus 9 is 21. Since pareho silang negative, so minus 21. So that is the value of I of x minus f of x. Okay? So ganun lang tayo mag-subtract. O paano naman pag magmumultiply? O madali, parang kung paano lang tayo nagmumultiply ng um, polynomials. So for example, g of x multiplied by, let's say, f of x. So again, kopyahin nyo lang si g of x, x squared minus 9. Okay, then si f of x ay, so times yan, kahit idikit lang natin, x squared, okay, x squared plus 6x plus 9. So again, paano tayo mag-multiply? Since hindi yan binomial to binomial, wala tayong tinatawag na FOIL method. But we can distribute. So first, distribute the first term of the binomial. I-multiply mo yan in every part or every term of the trinomial. So x squared times x squared, that would become x raised to 4. X squared times 6x ngayon is 6x cubed. Okay? Then x squared times 9, that would become 9x squared. So this time, okay, i-distribute naman si negative 9. Negative 9 times this is negative 9x squared. Negative 9 times 6x is negative 54x. Then negative 9 times 9 yung nasa dulo is negative 81. So again, after that, i-combine mo na. Since ito ay parehong x squared, combine mo yan. 9x squared minus 9x squared, maka-cancel yan. Since parehong 9x squared sila. So therefore, ang matitira is x raised to 4 plus 6x cubed minus 54x minus 81. So that would be the product of g of x and f of x. Okay? Ganyan lang tayo mag-multiply. So, the rest, ganun na lang din gagawin. Kasi trinomial yan, expect nyo na mahaba yung i-distribute nyo, yung solution. Okay? Let's go now to the division. For example, okay, division. Let's say we are given f of x divided by g of x. Okay? So, again, kopyahin lang muna natin. So, what is f of x? X squared plus 6x plus 9. Then, what is g of x? Ang g of x ay x squared minus 9. So, take note na this is a polynomial. Okay? Yung f of x. And this is g of x is also polynomial. So, pwede siyang maging factorable. So, if we factor the numerator, it would become what? So, x plus 3, then x plus 3. Okay? Then here, halata naman na ang denominator ay difference of 2 squares. So, it should become x plus 3, then x minus 3. Okay? So, meron tayong parehong x plus 3 sa taas, may x plus 3 rin tayo sa baba. So, we can cancel that. So, therefore, the remaining would become x plus 3 over x minus 3. So, the value of f of x over g of x is this. X plus 3 over x minus 3. Okay? So, how about this? I of x all over g of x. Okay? So, first, kopyahin lang natin si I of x. So, x squared plus x minus 12. Okay, all over the g of x is x squared minus 9. Okay? So that would become equal to, so again, factorable tong dalawa. So ito, since x squared minus 9, ito yung nasa taas, so copyhin lang natin. So become x plus 3, x minus 3. Ang tanong na lang, ano ang factors nitong x squared plus x minus 12 sa numerator? So pag pinactor mo yan, that would become x plus 4, x minus 3. Again, meron tayong pwedeng i-cancel x minus 3 tsaka si x minus 3 dito. So, ang matitira would become x plus 4 over x plus 3. So, therefore, if I divide I of x and g of x, the answer is x plus 4 all over x plus 3. Okay? So, let's have another example. Okay, for division. For example, we are asked to find h of x over I of x. Okay, so una, kopyahin lang. So 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Then, all over, I of x is x squared plus x minus 12. Okay, then, factorable siya. So, alam natin kanina, ang factors ni x squared plus x minus 12, okay, kung matandaan nyo, that is x plus 4, x minus 3. Okay? So, yan yun. Then, ito na lang yung factors nito. So, ano ba factors ni 2x squared plus 5x minus 3? So, dalawang binomial ulit yan. So, 2x and x. Ano bang factors ni 6? Okay? Or 3, when you put it here, magiging tama siya. Okay? So, magiging, okay, plus 3 dito. Okay? Tapos dito ay minus 1. But if you look at the answers here, the factors, okay, wala siyang common factor. So, therefore, ito na yung final answer. Okay, ganyan na lang. Pwede natin isulat nung ganito or in factored form, which is this. Okay? And paano naman yung last? Let's say we are asked to find h of x over g of x. So again, we have h of x is equal to 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. All over, ang g of x natin ay x squared minus 9. So alam na natin kung paano i-factor si 2x squared plus 5x minus 3, yung nasa taas. So 2x minus 1, x plus 3. And we also know the factors of x squared minus 9. Kasi difference of 2 squared lang siya. So therefore, that is x plus 3, x minus 3. So again, meron na ulit common factor. This time may common factor na x plus 3. So pwede natin i-cancel. So ang natira is 2x minus 1 all over x minus 3. So if I divide h of x and g of x, the answer is 2x minus 1 all over x minus 3. So, ganun lang tayo mag-perform ng operations on functions. Okay? So, next, last, composition of function. So, ito yung isang nalilito sa mga karamihan ng estudyante, pero madali lang yan kapag kabisado mo yung evaluation kasi parang nag-i-evaluate ka lang din. Okay, for example, we have f of g of x. Okay, ibig sabihin ng f of g of x, yung f of x, okay, parang kasi siyang f of x. Kasi meron kang f dito. But this time, si g of x mo, yung buo mong x. Okay? Kasi f of g of x, o siyempre, kung f of x yan, ano yung x ni f? Edi yung buong g of x. So, ang gagawin lang natin, kaya nga siya composition of function, ilalagay mo yung isang function sa isang function. Okay? Parang ayun yung ibig sabihin nun. Okay, so first, copyin mo lang si f of x, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9. Since si f of g of x, okay, ang hinahanap natin, ano nga ba ang value ni g of x? Okay, dito ko na lang siya isulat. Ano nga ba value ni g of x? Okay, ang function na g of x is x squared minus 9. So, first, palitan ko si g of x ng kung ano yung value niya. So, magiging f of x squared minus 9. So, ibig sabihin, ang nasa loob ni f ay x squared minus 9. So, ito yung ipang papalit ko sa lahat ng value ni x. Okay? So, parang magiging ganito yan. So, equals, alam natin na may squared yon, then plus 6, then multiply lang yung x, plus 9. Okay, since si f of x dito, look at this. F of x, lahat ng x, nandun, x. This time, ang hinahanap natin is f of x squared minus 9. Bakit naging f of x squared minus 9? Kasi we are looking for f of g of x. And we know that g of x is equal to this, x squared minus 9. So, yung nasa gitnang g of x, palitan natin ng x squared minus 9. Kaya siya naging f of g squared, ay f of x squared minus 9. Okay? So, here, since yung loob ng f ay x squared minus 9, palitan na lang natin dito, x squared minus 9. Then here, x squared minus 9. Then, distribute natin. Okay? Pag ito, sinimplify mo, that would become x raised to 4. Okay, minus 18x squared plus 81. Then ito, pag dinistribute mo, that will become 6x squared. Okay, tapos ito, 6 times negative 9 is negative 54 plus 9. Okay, then, combine like terms lang. Ano yung pwede natin i-combine? Ayun, yung may x squared. Okay, so, negative 18 plus 6 is what? Negative 12. So, copy muna si x raised to 4 minus minus 12 kasi negative 12 na siya. So, minus 12x squared. Then, here, may mga constant tayo term. So, add natin 81 minus 54. So, that would become 27. Okay? 27. Then, plus 9, that would become 36. So, therefore, the value of f of g of x is x raised to 4 minus 12x squared plus 36. Okay? So, paano naman pagbaliktad? Okay, pagbaliktad. So, g of f of x. So, ibig sabihin yan, si f of x, palitan natin. Ano ba yung f of x? Ito. Okay, so ibig sabihin g of yung f of x is has this function x squared plus 6x plus 9. So ang goal natin mahanap natin si g of x squared plus 6x plus 9. Eh ano ba si g of x? Take note that g of x is equal to x squared minus 9. Okay? So ang gagawin natin, palitan natin. So si si x, palitan natin yung nasa loob nito. X squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay, so therefore, x is equal to, yung may squared, si x, papalitan natin ng ganito. So, x squared plus 6x plus 9. Then, minus 9. Okay, since this is a square of trinomial, I hope na kabisado nyo yan, no grade 8 kayo. So, sige, square natin yung trinomial na to. So, therefore, that would become x raised to 4 plus square of this is 36x squared. Square of this is 81. Okay? Then, multiplied 2 at a time, x squared plus 6x is 6x cubed times 2. Okay? That would become 12x cubed. Again, x squared times 9 naman is 9x squared times 2 is 18x squared. And last pair is 6x times 9. So that is 54x times 2. That is 108x. Okay? Then, ano yung pwede natin i-add dyan? Combine. Ito, yung x squared. So, 36 plus 18, that would become 54. So, x raised to 4 plus 12x cubed. Ito, may 12x cubed dito, may x raised to 4. Then, plus 54, ayan nga, x squared. Okay? Then, we have also here, plus 108x Then lastly, we have plus 81. So therefore, that would be the value of g of f of x. Okay? So medyo mahaba siya, no? So, pero ganun tayo mag-composition of function. Okay? I hope you learn something about this video. Okay? Thank you.